First, the top headlines. Mizoram government assured the safety of Meitei people. Goods train left Guwahati for Khongsang reach tomorrow. Chief Minister may receive it. A farmer from Telangana has become a cropper in a month, selling tomatoes amid soaring prices. And curfew relaxed till 6 p.m. for Imphal West and East districts, Bishnupur district 5 p.m. today. Hello and welcome to ELITETV English News. This is Thokchom Aleza bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Now, the news in detail. The Mizoram government has assured the safety of Meitei people in the state after former militants outfit Peace Accord MNF Returnees Association Pamra appealed to them to leave amid tension caused by violence in Manipur. This comes amid reports that the Meitei community was leaving the state following Pamra's appeal. State Home Commissioner said that Pamra's statement was misinterpreted. Here is a telephonic conversation between our news editor and a Meitei living in Mizoram now.
Howzik Manipur da maruina Mizoram da eriba Meitei sing chatlo haidana tale habi wafam aduga Mizoram sarkar na madu tan khiban leite section la yu habna khum le hauzik Mizoram da leriba ki Manipuri amni mana phongra ko hum tamina si hauzik maruina Mizoram da leriba gi film si kamain de kai leim thambiwa
agoi zik si mafam sida Meitei sing kaisu awaba leite adagidi ekoi de problem thokpa kari gumam ta leite lamdam sida ekoi yam fazana isina amagum na loin leinari adubu mafam sida ekoi moina kari gumba protection khara tawgodoba leibaduna ekoi gi mipung mayam ama pungkhalak pa taragadi makoi gi Meitei sing si ngasai sida freedom oina leibanina apanipan thokpa khotpa kari kari tawgu matamda kari gumba khudong thiba thokadra haibagi nungsa thiba leibana makoina safe side oinabagi damakta akoi gi thokpa order ni madaiduda akoi gi moina akoi bu hanro chakro haibagi kari gumbam ta leite ado asi gi si akoi gi direct home commissioner gi maikai de gisu order thoktana tawrabani ado mafam sida kana gumam ta awa ta leite leiri adagi di awa kari hani akoi gi kari gumbam ta haibadi nungsa thininga oiba kana gumamna kari gumbama tawbo khotpa haiba amata leite
okay maruina koi mizo yang association la leba tan kumanga da mayam jibe regimu sakini haiba phom lei aduna maram orakan da hodi lanjin da ko si haram su Imphal ki international airport da me humphum da thungai ngasi su thungba hore dubu hauzik afum mata koi ki Mizoram ki maikai dagi quick notice kumba pi ba natragana noi thorak pa yaroi natragana noi domham da kumba koi thakam da kumba kam ne bibra
leite adu madiam ta leite mafam sida koi ki senga hairada ngasai ki haigadriba koi ki poina tarikuma da tawgadriba koi ki people protest haiba tariko madu dei da koi ki mi habasi mafam ki adagi mi mama ma pulaga thabak torkodobani na masai sida koi ki Meitei sing si mapan da thokna khotna leiba taragati mipung khati mai si kamana bang hatana si to badaiduda akoi somna kanda irang ama thoingi da somda karigumba khanghodana karigumba thokpa taragadi hena sai do mai du da hena chakhatpam oigani haibagi damakta makoina sigi section tharong ki lokhatpani aduna karigumba ma da in future da thoktana ba kona makta karigumba ta problem oidana bagi damakta akoi section na layu aduga mapa ipan thokki dana ba haidi kitang irang sigi kitang systematic ma oidi phawgadi section na leina bagi damakta haiba hai tare ko
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯟꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯖꯣꯔꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯏꯟꯚꯦꯁꯇꯤꯒꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯠ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯛ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯊꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯗꯨ ꯁꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯃꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯁꯦꯀꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯣꯅꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯀꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯊꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ
ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 15ꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯨꯡ ꯀꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯖꯣꯔꯥꯝ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯖꯣꯔꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ
ꯃꯤꯖꯣꯔꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 15ꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯖꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯇꯩꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯏꯁꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯔꯆꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯔꯆꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯟꯊꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯆꯦꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯀꯨꯞꯊꯕ ꯃꯔꯣꯜ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯃꯁ꯭ꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯤꯁꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯝꯗꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯑꯝꯕꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯑꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯥꯡ ꯇꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯑꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯩ
ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯑꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯕꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯐ ꯁꯥꯏꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯐ ꯁꯥꯏꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤꯅꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯤꯁꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯅꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯦꯛꯁꯤꯃꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯜꯆꯔ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯤꯁꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯟꯗ ꯈꯣꯏꯔꯥꯎꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯑꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯗꯨ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯤ ꯕꯦꯡ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯏꯁꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯂꯩꯇꯪ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯡꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯦꯂꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯖꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯟꯊꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯈꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯈꯣꯏꯁꯥꯎꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯎꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯨꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗꯨꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ karigum thokiba taragadi hena tungda in future da fazaba mo oiroi haibigi damukta cheksin thaurangi damukta aikoigi safe side oinabigi damukta kano tawbiyo haidana aikoigi wafamsi thamgibani haitare ko ado yam fazana aikoigi commissioner gi makai da gisu order thoki gare maitei singbo hallu haibana te cheksin leibiyo haibani maramdi oning daba thodok khangudana thohanbasi kananasu pamde adugi damukta lamdam asinasu akhoi punamak cheksin leinogi damukta haigi bakoni
Maruina khoi sai tak piri sil serong ge am thole ha do khoi imphal lom de ge su tholak ba imphal ki sene khum yaw ya ga hari ba mayam tholak pas na maram oraga khoi imphal ba nam ge lek tam lai ba medical tam ba mayam tin su khoi khoi gi hai lang tak na ba hai ba dai madu thok pa lei mana sai ya ha ba tare sai se na moi chaning magi Mizoram da haning magi phum su lei auna yam nungai jai maruina khoi
adubu ngarang da khoina su pauda khoi taba phangjai Manipurum da lebiri be khoi gi Mizoram gi khoi gi sinau sing hujir ji lainai su tamdana leiba school college ka institution da training tawdana leiba ko sing si yam fazana pau pibi rei khoi inform sida wana ta de adu kanam tane khoi te sol to boleite khoi yam freedom oina lei mafam sida haidra moina su paui pibi rak pa khoi si som su ta jai
yam mai jai khoi makhata na khoi laliba tang kun manga da sum hum madu da release kan ya bi paw lei makhata na update lawzer ke thagat cheri adum
A goods train carrying 12 wagons with essential items left Guwahati for Khongsang today. A simple flag-off ceremony was held at Guwahati railway station today. ACM Guwahati Richuras Borthakur, former General Secretary, Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Jotin Thokchom, and trader Santan Hakpam, staffs of railways Sunil Prasad and Sadvi also attended the flag-off ceremony. The goods train carrying 12 wagons of onion, potato, sugar and other essential items may arrive at Khongsang railway station around 10 a.m. A wagon can carry 60 metric tons of products. In an unofficial report, Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren might go there and receive the items. However, it is not yet confirmed. Former General Secretary of Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Trade Jotin Thokchom and trader proprietor of Nahakpam Food, Santa Nahakpam, spoke about today's flag-off ceremony of goods train.
New Guwahati railway station dani New Guwahati railway station dagi Manipur ki yamna itihasik or historical moment ne koi chan na thang na ba alu tilong maru dagi atai dai sarap sapon chini punamak koi essential commodities ma'am koi atop jaga dagi pura si New Guwahati railway station thungare aduga railway department yam mateng pangpidna koi business community ma'am na Manipur yongno Khongsang yongno bagi dong da tharang to no laire hayeng 9:45 ta honorable CM na koi OP duna hai bachan na thana ma'am na Manipur project yongno makan no jari
koi ngasi moment se Manipur gi yamna historic oi ba moment ni koi Manipur da leiba trade tawriba koi gi business mayam ama tawriba koi gi state da ngasi irang matam sida koi na irang matam sida Manipur government na initiative lobiraga amadi railway na initiative mayam ama lobiraga na step forward hai tare ko koi golden moment Manipur gi transport ki oi ba golden moment se ngasi koi na New Guwahati station dagi flag off tawjari masigi train sida koi bogi taraga humdo yawi edu traum do sida koi Manipur na chana ba essential commodity hapaga Khongsang da han boina Manipur da han boina lakadori ni koi isi se thangal bazar gi trader sing koi gi Sabir ji Sunil ji adagi keno koi gi Sunil Jain adagi sida koi Sunil Bial le den koi Tamuzu tin le re den koi gi railway gi keno ACM le re adagi AOM le re ko koi me am sina punna koi adagi railway gi staff adagi sumna koi gi local pilot sing mayam yauraga koi masi is a flag of tawzaribani agana we are very thankful to the railways for helping out akoina problem lai matamda masi connection sing ngamna ma koina hona bibe mayam do adagi dama railway po anjan thagat chari amadi.
In Manipur, police apprehended 2 more persons, including a juvenile, on 22nd July 2023, in connection with the May 4 parading of 2 women naked in the Kangpokpi district of the state. 6 persons have been named in this connection so far. Police said all efforts are being made to arrest the remaining culprits. They said strict security measures have been taken in all vulnerable locations of the state. The 4 persons arrested earlier were remanded to police custody for 11 days on Friday. Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur urged media organizations to exercise greater caution in avoiding the spread of misinformation under the guise of breaking news. Attending the 5th Odisha Journalism Award 2023 in New Delhi on 22nd July 2023, Mr. Thakur stressed that journalists play a very crucial role in promptly and accurately disseminating information to the masses. He added fake and paid news is spreading like a termite in the country, and during the COVID-19 pandemic, it might have killed more people than the virus itself. The minister highlighted that misinformation has led to fear psychosis, particularly in remote areas, contributing to vaccine hesitancy. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan said that the event is a way to felicitate the journalists who are connected to their roots. He said they are not only represent the voice of the marginalized sections of the society but also make the government aware of it. The event felicitated 6 scribes for their influential work across the state of Odisha and its communities. The event also introduced a new category of award, Pratibha Patnaik Journalism Award of Excellence, and conferred upon senior journalist Sarada Lahanjir for this year. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on 22nd July 2023 inaugurated a centralized aviation security control center ASCC of Central Industrial Security Force CISF in New Delhi to meet the current security challenges. It will monitor all threats and social media chatter for the 66 civil airports currently under the CISF's security cover. The ASCC will access 24/7 real-time data monitoring and trend analysis of passengers and air traffic. The ASCC is equipped with cutting-edge technologies such as a data center, research and development lab, and a war room to deal with emergencies. The center will get real-time feed from each of the security operations control centers, ACOCCs, operational at these 66 airports that include the extremely busy and hypersensitive civil aviation facilities in Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Jammu, Srinagar, and Amritsar, among others. The facility will provide realistic inputs about passenger traffic at a given point in time and help in mobilizing the resources for optimum utilization. It will also monitor bomb threat calls, VVIP movements, other major incidents, passenger clearance time, and utilization of security gadgets and queue management systems, among others, at the 66 airports. The CISF provides armed security cover to 66 airports as part of its Aviation Security Group ASG, and the force works under the command of the Union Home Ministry. A farmer from Telangana has become a cropper in a month, selling tomatoes amid soaring prices. According to TOI, the farmer dropped out of school after failing class 10 and turned to farming. In a span of 1 month, the farmer said he earned Rs 1.8 crore from tomato produce and expects his total income to surpass Rs 2 crore this season. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu on Saturday said that the state has faced the harshest rain and flood disasters in the past 75 years. The loss incurred by the state due to the rain-induced damages is estimated to be around Rs 8,000 crore. There is a need for immediate financial relief from the union government, he further said. Reacting to the Manipur unrest, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said that the RSS agenda of hate has converted Manipur into a riot zone. He added visuals of the early days of violence have come out now. Women belonging to the Kuki community have been hunted by violent mobs in the most despicable and cruel manner. Now let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
40 years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Admission open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy ki lakatori session 2023-24 ke admission hausare. Institute asi Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized tauraba amati 5-year service complete oiraba Manipur da amatangairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani. Class 12 pass tauraba mahairoi singna tungi afaba career amati aviation industry da changningba singna ming chanbiba yaragani. Male and female punna apply tauba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience lairaba trainer singna train tauriba 100 plus students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course singi khudong chaba leijari. Course singa tudi international air hostess training, airport operation and staff training, ground handling loina soft skill, career counseling, interview skill, spoken English and Hindi, grooming, guest lecturer session, resume making, mock interview, service classes, first aid, interview preparation, Zumba class, swimming class amati, airport visits. Institute asiki staff singa loinana placement assistance ki damag Imphal amati atopa state sing da su khudong chaba pizari. Khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amati online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225.
Welcome to UNACO College Khongman, a co-educational college affiliated to Manipur University, offering BA, BAc courses, regular classes with continuous evaluation, high-end technology-aided teaching, transportation, hostel and paying guest facilities at nominal cost are available. Session begins on 31st July 2023. Registration and admission is continuing.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. Now moving on to the news. Minister of Commerce and Textiles Nemcha Kipgen expressed her resentment over the recent incident of 2 women paraded naked. In a video footage, Minister demands capital punishment for those involved in the crime.
As a mother, sister and daughter, I have no words to express my deep pain and sorrow after seeing the recently surfaced video where all Kukizo women were paraded, naked and sexually assaulted by the Mayday mob on 4th May 2023. I raise my strongest condemnation over this gruesome, horrific incident. Culprits involved in this gross, inhuman act should be given capital punishment without any bias at the earliest. Let us not forget, attack on dignity of a woman is an attack to humanity at large. I will extend all possible assistance from my end to deliver justice to the victims.
As the law order situation has been improved in Imphal East and West, curfew has been relaxed till 6 p.m. today. However, in Bishnupur district, curfew has been relaxed till 5 p.m. today. Markets and shops were open during the curfew relaxation. Public rushed to the shops in order to purchase the day-to-day essential items during the curfew relaxation. Traffic was still normal as before on the road. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma criticized the Congress over the Manipur issue, saying that the party's duplicity is simply alarming. He alleged that during the Congress regime from 2004 to 2014, more than 991 people, including security personnel, were killed in Manipur. He added repairing fault lines created by 7 decades of misgovernance will take time. Hyderabad police busted a Rs 712 crore investment fraud by Chinese operators and arrested 9 people. This comes after a complainant lost Rs 28 lakh after being given a part-time job, where he was asked to rate and review by investing money. The money was transferred to Dubai and was used to purchase cryptocurrency. Some crypto wallet transactions had linkages with terrorist group Hezbollah. The Indian men's double pair of Satwik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Sethi will face Indonesian top seeds Fajar Alfian and Mohammad Rian Ardianto in the final of the Korea Open 2023 badminton tournament at the Jinman Jinnam Stadium in Yosu on 23rd July 2023. The Indian duo defeated the public of China's Liang Weiqing and Wang Chang, currently world number 2 in the badminton rankings 21-15, 24-22 to make their third final of the year. After a neck-to-neck start to the match, Satwik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Sethi, the world number 3 and 3rd seeds at the BWF Super 500 tournament, gained the super hand in the first game after winning 5 back-to-back points to make the score 14-8 and 14-8 from 9-8. The Indian badminton players brought the momentum to close out the opening game with ease but came up against much sterner resistance in the second game. Trailing 14-9 at one stage, Liang Weiqing and Wang Chang leveled the scores at 19-all, but the Indians managed to raise their game at a vital juncture to finish off the contest in 40 minutes. Results at the Korea Open count towards players' qualifying rankings for the Paris 2024 Olympics. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And before we wind up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Mizoram government assured the safety of Meitei people. Goods train left Guwahati for Khongsang reach tomorrow. Chief Minister may receive it. A farmer from Telangana has become a crorepati in a month, selling tomatoes amid soaring prices. And curfew relaxed till 6 p.m. for Imphal West and East districts, Bishnupur district 5 p.m. today. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.